So, where's the kniffy? Today, oh, right in front of my face. Today, we got a package. So, I'm gonna open it, show people what it is. I already know what it is. It actually came in a day early, so that is exciting and happy. I'm going to be able to install it on the car before we go to a night meet tomorrow, which is also nice. So then we'll get to see how it does. But it's not too bad of something to install. So, what is this? Stickers and free stuff go first. And that's Josie pulling in now. Thank you for choosing. This is just their card. Oh, let's put it in front of my face. Zoom in on it. So, it's a TurboGaurd from TurboGaurd. That's what I heard. Blue locktite. Okay. So this is what I'll be running on the GTR, not all the time, but some of the times. So I'll just be running this instead of the K&N air filter that I currently have. And this one is a 4-inch opening. It's their billet, and then it's powdered blue with their white bold lettering, not their outlined lettering. And oh, yes, it still has that too. And now Josie's home, but I'll install this on the car later. And
what?
Huh?
What were you saying?
It came in. I opened it. I recorded the video real quick. It's still going.
Oh,
Listen to the noises. I never do anything like that, but it's metal and it goes clang. It actually rings. See? Did you hear it? So.
Do you want to make this?
Don't need that. So, today we're doing two things. Already flip around. Go down. We're installing this, which I talked about earlier. And we are, there you go, checking the oil before the night meet tomorrow, just to make sure everything is good. Yes, I know there's movement. First things first, you have to unlock the car, and then pop the hood. And there we go. Come over here. Oh, where are you even looking? It's not. Cooperate. There you go. So, put our box. Okay. Box over there. And then we'll prop up the hood. I didn't realize that this was apparently where I left my screwdriver. So, it's a, oh, what am I doing? This thing has legs. We'll put you over there for now. So, oil change first, or oil check. Nope, wrong one. No, yeah. No. There you go. Cloth. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. This one's harder to get to with the new intake manifold. Wipe it off. Put it. This is hard without light. That is the only thing I don't like about this new intake manifold. It is a lot harder to access the dipstick. Makes me have to do acrobatics. There you go. And then you go down. Hey, Ghosty. And then you come back up. Check the oil. Realize you're good on the oil. And then you put it back. Come on. Can't see nothing. So, got that done. On to item number 2. So I need my 8mm socket and my extension, which is still on. So that's good. So 8mm socket, right? Yep, 8mm socket. Make sure it is set up to loosen. And then you gotta come over here to this. Nope, wrong way. This bolt. It's a little bit easier if you hold it so it doesn't move around on you. You can use a screwdriver as well. Put that there. Screwdriver. And then from there, you just pull this off, which is always harder than I think it is. So I use a screwdriver as a little bit of help. Make sure that don't fall down. Bada boom, filter gone. Stay. Stay. And then, see it once again. TurboGaurd. Upside down. So that fits. And then, according to the instructions, What size hex do I need for these? I do not know. Standard or metric? I don't know. We're grabbing the standards, hoping for the best. Hey, Ghosty. Got my loctite. Got my. There we go. I got one of the hexes. So this one is. Boom, got it on the first try. What is this? 7/64ths. Wait. No, it's not one. That one, that one, that one. Okay, my bad. It's 1/8. I hate these things. Getting them out is terrible. Okay. Got my blue loctite. Twist that open. The way I'm gonna do it is by starting it. Glad that's what I chose to do because I almost dropped it about twice. Just barely starting it, just so it holds. Then just a little baby drop. Oh. Squeeze it. Oh. Squeeze it, but it's not working. Was it my squeeze method? No, can't be my squeeze method. There's that. I'm gonna have some on my hands, it'd be fine. Would you like to guess what I attempted to do? I've been trying to squeeze out the Loctite. I haven't cut it yet. Yeah.
Be smart.
Well, in my defense, I know I have a knife out here. Apparently I do not have a knife out here. I'll go get scissors.